Hey guys, Chefdice here. I'm at Whisk here at the Orleans Hotel and Casino. As you can see, I just got a tip from one of our fans that this place has another great oxtail compared to the one in downtown. So we're gonna try it out. Oxtail it is at Whisk. Hey, Chefdice here at Copper Whisk Cafe at the Orleans Hotel and Casino. Thank you for one of our viewers told me, hey, Chefdice, I saw your Market Street video on oxtail. You have to try this oxtail at Copper Whisk Cafe. So we're here, we're gonna try it out, and let's see if it's better than their counterpart at Market Street Cafe. But again, Copper Whisk Cafe, Chefdice is in the house. Gloria, what is good over here?
Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Oh, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. They know that we're calling it love.
My God, I can break this one down. This looks good. I can smell it. I can smell the spice. Woo-wee. Ready to dig in.
Whatever the case may be.
Right.
Any oxtail, whatever the case may be.
Oh yeah. That's Mr. Money Shot. Interrupting me while I'm eating my food here at the Copper Whisk. Hey, Mr. Money Shot, how are you doing?
What's up, guys? What are you guys eating? I thought you said the best oxtail was in California, but now you say it's Copper Whisk. What the hell?
No. I had a viewer, Cody Mats. His name is Cody Mats. Thank you very much, one of my subscribers, Cody Mats, for telling me try this place out. That's why we're here.
All right. Enjoy your food.
Yes, sir.
Thank you for watching.
Cody Mats, thank you for letting me know about this wonderful place at the Orleans Hotel and Casino called the Copper Whisk Cafe. We're gonna try their oxtail. And you guys seen the other video where it was at Main Street. So let's try this one out, all right? Again, we're gonna do this. Fresh ginger. Wow, that's almost an ounce and a half, 2 ounces worth. Cilantro, you want cilantro? That's your cilantro. I'll take it off. I love cilantro. Okay. You're gonna mix it up. We got shiitake mushrooms, carrots, bok choy. You see this, guys? This gives you some nice crunch. Water chestnuts. Okay, and then we got my tools. We need chopsticks because we're gonna double eat this thing. Scoop of rice here. Let's try this. Let's try the broth first, like the last time. Oh. I don't know. It's really good. Let's see if the oxtail meat falls apart. god, look at that. Falling off the bone. See that, guys? Uh-oh. Compared to my other video, it wasn't falling apart that much, but this one really falls apart. See that? All right, let me try. Oh, falling apart. Sorry, I'm using my hand, but I'm hungry. I'm just slurping this meat up, man. It's so tender. Oh my God. Stuck the mushroom. Some carrots. Oh. Hey guys, this oxtail has a lot of flavor. Seems like it's been stewing for about 6 to 8 hours. Let's try the water chestnuts. Gives it a nice crunch. But again, this is nice and seasoned. Has more different types of vegetables like the shiitake mushrooms, baby bok choy, compared to, like, let's say, go back to my other one, the Market Street Cafe. It had carrots, celery, some onions, like a stew kind of thing. But this one has a little bit more upper end vegetables, which I like. But you know what? I rate this one an A+, seriously. The reason being, it has more flavor, and of course, the meat is falling off the bone. Falling off the bone, definitely. Look at that. Look. Look at that. Boom. Falling off the bone. A+. What I'm going to do is, I ordered another thing, the Reuben. Let me try that out right now.
Are you Hawaiicrapshooter?
Can I have your autograph? During the
Hey guys, you guys know here at Orleans, you gotta run around with these guys. See that guy right there? He's John G, wearing his glasses. But again, I also got a Reuben, French fries, some olives, some gherkins. I love Reuben. Look at that. Cheese, Thousand Island dressing, sauerkraut, some Swiss cheese in here. Ready to rock and roll, guys. Here we go. Bread is nice and toasty. Oh my God, I'm gonna dig in. This is a big mouth size. Gherkin. Oh, cool. Freshest Reuben I've tasted. But again, just smother it with a whole bunch of Thousand Island dressing, as you can see. Right? A lot of loads of meat in here, and it's really moist. We're gonna take another bite. Oh my God. Of course, we got some fries. There's no fries. And some nice slaw. I love peppers in my slaw. Oh my God. There you go. A mayonnaise style slaw. Nice and cool, refreshing. Compliments the Reuben, really, really nice. And again, guys, It has like a nice side salad, nice Mexican greens. But this is unbelievable. I gotta take another bite, guys. And then we're gonna wipe this place down. You'll see at the end, everything will be empty. They got oxtail too. John G. Emeritus. But look at this, man. It's nice and tender. I'm just sucking the meat out of the bone. Oh my God. Yeah, I'm loving it. It's done, guys. This is unbelievable. If you guys want more content like this, or let me know how Corey Mutz did, like, subscribe, and hit that notification button. Whew. This place is awesome. Copper Whisk, a cafe at Orleans Hotel and Casino. Please come down. Try out their oxtail. Till we eat again. Chefdice out. Hey guys, I got more room in my stomach. You guys know how big the portions are here. We got a plain cheesecake here with strawberry sauce. Looks great. Oh my God. It's good. It's a spot. Whipped cream. Chocolate grill. Can't beat it. I'm ready to take a nap. Very good. All right, we get the chocolate lava cake here at the Copper Whisk Cafe. Whew, let's try this. Of course, we got the chocolate twill. Let's see. Oh, look at that. It's oozing in the inside. You guys can see that? All right, here we go. Nice and warm, chocolate oozing. You know what? One thing I need on this dish, bowl of ice cream. Look at that. Okay, oozing out. See that? Oozing out, nice, soft, spongy. There you go. Again, Copper Whisk Cafe, come on down. They got great desserts as well. So check it out. Let's try with the wine. Chefdice out.